Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn about Indus river system. The Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, they all comprise the Himalayan river system. Although they all existed even before the Himalayas, means before the collision of Indian plate and Eurasian plate. These rivers were flowing into the Tethys Sea and had their source in the now Tibetan region. Indus river is also an antecedent river, means it continued to flow throughout the building phase of the Himalayas, its bank rising steeply while the beds went lower and lower, and due to the vertical erosion it has cut deep gorges. India has got her name from Indus. The Indus Valley civilization was born around the river. The source of Indus river is glaciers of Kailash range, the Kailash range in Tibet near Lake Mansarovar. After entering Jammu and Kashmir, it flows between the Ladakh and the Janskar range. Here you can see Ladakh and Janskar range. Indus rises in Tibet region, Kailash range near Lake Mansarovar and flows between Ladakh and Janskar range. The Janskar river joins the river Indus near Leh. It flows then through the region of Ladakh, Baltistan and Gilgit. The Shyok river joins it at near Sharduk. Other Himalayan tributaries are Gilgit, Gartang, Dras, Shigar, Hunja. It crosses the Himalayas, make a sharp southern turn near Attock, north of the Nanga Parvat. Then river Kabul joins it in Afghanistan. Kurram, Toch, Jove, Gomal, these are other rivers that join Indus in this region. Toch, Kurram, and just above the Mithankot, the Panjnad, the rivers from Chenab, Satluj, Ravi, Jhelum. These 5 rivers, they meet Indus just above Pathankot. It flows through Karachi, forms a large delta there and empties its water into the Arabian Sea. Let us revise once again. The source is Kailash range, flows between Ladakh and Janskar range in Jammu and Kashmir, flows through the region of Ladakh, Baltistan, Gilgit. It is joined by the Janskar river at Leh. Near Skardu, it is joined by the Shyok. These are important points for your exam. You must remember it. The Himalayan tributaries are Gilgit, Gartang, Dras, Shigar, Hunja. Kabul river from Afghanistan joins Indus near Attock. Important tributaries below Attock includes Kurram, Toch, Jove, Gomal. And the Panjnad joins the Indus above Mithankot. These are 5 eastern tributaries, the Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas and the Satluj. The 5 major rivers, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas and Satluj. Jhelum rises in spring at Verinag. It flows northwards to Vular Lake, means Vular Lake receives water from Jhelum. River Chenab joins Jhelum at Trimu. Chenab river is formed by the union of 2 headwaters, Chandra and Bhaga, which rises in the upper Himalayas in the Lahore and Spiti district of Himachal Pradesh. From Baralacha Pass, this Chandra and Bhaga united stream flows in the northwest direction through the Panji Valley parallel to the Pir Panjal range. Here we have Pir Panjal range. Then Ravi river rises near Rohtang Pass in Uttarakhand near Kullu Hills. It drains the area between Dhauladhar and Pir Panjal ranges, near Dhauladhar and Pir Panjal ranges. You must remember these ranges also. Byas river also rises near Rohtang Pass. It meets the Satluj river at Harike in Punjab. Harike is a wetland also. Satluj rises in Mansarovar, Rakkas Lake in western Tibet. While reading about Indus river system, we should also know about Indus Water Treaty. This treaty was brokered by World Bank in 1960. Under this, all the waters of 3 rivers, namely Ravi, Satluj and Byas, means eastern rivers, these were allocated to India for exclusive use, while the waters of western rivers, Indus, Jhelum and Chenab, these were allocated to Pakistan. These 3 rivers were for exclusive use of India, while for these 3 rivers, India can use in certain cases. And India has also been given the right to generate hydroelectricity through run-of-the-river projects on the western rivers. For exclusive use, India has built dam over Satluj, the Bhakra Dam, Pong and Pando Dam on Byas and Ranjit Sagar on Ravi. In 2019, Indian government decided that the government will stop its share of water which earlier used to flow to Pakistan. For this, it initiated 2-3 projects. Shapur Kandi project, utilizing the waters coming out of the powerhouse of Teen Dam, means Ranjit Sagar Dam. on Ravi River. Second was Uj Multi-Purpose Project, again water from Ravi River. And second, Ravi Byas link below Uj by constructing a barrage across River Ravi for diverting water through a tunnel linked to Byas Basin. And government has declared these projects as national projects. These three projects will help India to utilize its entire share of waters given under the Indus Water Treaty 1960. Before that, the water used to flow to the Pakistan. But now India has decided that water will not flow from the rivers that are for exclusive use for India. So 5 main rivers tributaries of Indus are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas and Satluj. Himalayan tributaries Gilgit, Gartang, Dras, Shigar, Hunza. Kabul River in Afghanistan. Kurram, Toch, Jhob, Gomal below the Attock. And the Panchanad above Mithankot. These are some important facts related to Indus River system. Watch these videos whenever you take a break from your studies. It will help you in revision and remember important facts related to these river systems. See you in the next video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you are new here, do subscribe and press that bell icon for the notification of videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.